As you can see here, when I try to open any image on my computer, it automatically opens with Microsoft Paint. So let's fix this issue. It's very simple. First, go to the bottom and click on Start. Then choose Settings. After that, from the left side, click on Apps. Now select Default Apps. Here, we will search for Paint in the search box. Once you find Paint, click on it. Now you will see all the file formats that are currently set to open with Paint. We will change the most common formats like JPEG, JPG, and PNG. For example, click on JPEG and from the list, select Photos and then click Set Default. Do the same for JPG and PNG. Just open the menu and switch it from Paint to Photos. If you want, you can also change any other image formats that you use to open in another image viewer of your choice. Now let's check the result. As you can see, when I open any image now, it opens correctly in Photos instead of Paint.